Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. My name is Kiki and I'm back with another video. Today's video is sponsored by Veyelash Lashes. They sent me over a few lash products for me to do a review on. So we're gonna go over everything that's in this box. If you would like to see my final review and how the products are, continue watching. Also, if you haven't already, please be sure to subscribe to my channel. Give this video a thumbs up. You already know, like, comment, and subscribe. Follow me on Instagram at @lavishlooks_ by Kiki. And yeah, let's get started. Alright, so let's get into this pretty box. This is the box that everything came in. It's pretty, nice size. This is the back with all of their information. I will also leave all of the information down below in the description box, so be sure to check it out. Alright, so let's see what's inside the box. You get your 5 ml lash glue, pink tape. A lot of people call this the Starburst tape. I've used it before. It is very good. This has the under eye pad, lash glue ring, micro swabs, and your lash brush to brush out your lashes. They also gave Easy Fanning D-Curl 0.7 Volume Lash Kit, Self Fanning D.07 14 mm volume lashes, and this one is 12 mm volume lashes. So they gave me 3 kits to try out. And it also came with this lash tray, so it comes 8 through 17 mm. So you put your lash strips in whichever length that you're using. It has the curl, the thickness, and then it gave me glue rings that you would tape here and put your glue on, so you can use that instead of using the glue rings, which I'd rather use glue rings versus putting the glue on here. I don't know how I forgot, but they also sent volume tweezers, so we're gonna give these a try too. So we're gonna make fans using their self. We're gonna try the self fanning D-curl, and then we're gonna do the easy fanning after. So I have their glue. This is the glue, 5 ml. You wanna make sure you shake your glue real good before using it. I'm going to put a drop on each side. And this one is self-fanning 14 mm 0.07. So as you know, well, as some of you might know, this is for volume fans. When making volume fans, you're going to use 0.03, 0.05, or 0.07. So let's put it here. 114. So I do the pinching method to make my volume fans. So that's what I'm going to do with these lashes. So I'm going to take a few lashes. Come forward and pinch. They do fan out nicely. That's a nice fan. So the self fanning, when you pull it off the strip, the fan is already there, but you just have to pinch the base to make it more thin. But they do fan out very nice. Do another one. And there's another nice fan. So they do fan out very good. So now let's try the Easy Fan, which is also a D-curl 0.07. And this lash kit is mixed. It has 16 through 20 mm. The one I'm showing you is 16. So I'm going to do the same thing as the other kit. I'm going to do the pinching method. Alright. So with this lash tray, I see that when you try to pull the lashes off the strip, they fall apart. So if I had to recommend a lash tray to use, I would say purchase the self-fanning and not the easy fanning, because they're not really sticking together at the base. So you're going to end up losing lashes. They fan, but they don't pull off the strip good. I would rather use the self-fanning. Especially if you're a beginner. Use the self-fanning. Try it with a different tweezer and see what happens. They fan nicely, but you're gonna have to put in some work, and that's not good for a beginner. So these are my finishing fans. This side here is with the easy fanning lash tray, and this side is with the self fanning. Don't get me wrong, they both make nice fans, nice big fans at that, and you can get your base to be very skinny if you pinch correctly. Alright guys, so if you are looking for good quality products for your lash business, then head on over to my description box. Click the link to make your purchase today. Order you some lash trays, tweezers, tape, and other supplies for your lash business. The quality is good. They make nice fans, and the fans give a dark tint, which is what I like about lash extensions, especially for volume and mega volume sets. You can use my code Kiki10 to get 10% off, who doesn't want to save money. So guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching. If you haven't already, please be sure to subscribe to my channel. Give this video a thumbs up. Be safe, be healthy, and be blessed. Bye guys.